Kule bandleni. What's up, TV land? Umfana kagama lo. Welcome to Mosaic Music, a platform where we examine music. We always break down knowledge to try and get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback. We inspire others. Basically, we post non-toxic Zion content. What is up, bro? Yes. When I randomly post a video, yes, it's a music video. That you must know, Uguti. It's a music video. Microphone amkhala phansi. It's a music video. Anywho, so if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like my videos, guys. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. And also, don't forget to comment. Someone actually gave me a good recommendation. So, hey, ngathi nje this month nje ama album reaction nje ayoba maningi. You understand? So, today we are reacting to it's the same church best reacted kuyo yesterday. We are reacting to abadumisi baseshawela abadumisi baseSoweto no chairman Nginezono. That's the name of the song, Nginezono. And honestly speaking, and they doing a great job. So yo, so yo, without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. You know, when is Zion one? Zion one, yeah, it's the one. It's the so. Mfunu was is it a new song? Yeah, exists. It's just a remake. I want to know, guys, because I know I get that a lot. You find Mangbuza can go and someone be like, no man, this song has been existing. I'm only now I'm still learning, and every time or every now and then, whenever I react to a video, band, I've never heard of most songs. So you can't really blame me, but for real, this Zion one, I love the song. I love the song. So to my Indian viewers, the song says, I have sins that are bothering my spirit. And crazy enough, they do it in such a good fashion. You would presume it's a hey, Zion one, I shall. Guys, more Zion music is the place to be. No, like I think abatumisi baseSoweto no chairman is Zion one. It's our generation is Zion one. Like it is, excuse me, it is our generation is Zion one. And I'm really proud to say now we are doing a great job. No, for real, man. Like ever since we're living, all I've been seeing you youth in J one way, just outright doing the most, man. So the second part say mina nyaduka nyaphuma endleleni umuntu into engangibuyisa or umuntu engangibuyisa inkosi. Basically saying that I would sometimes go off tracks. Now we talk about temptation, it's sin, wrongdoing, all of those things. Now the only thing that can bring us back on track is God, conscious. Mm, it's a powerful song. It's a powerful song. Like irrespective of ukuthi iculwa kanjani, it's powerful song, man. Guys, growing up, my parents used to go crazy whenever kushunyayela or uculo, and I never understood why. Now, I understand. Now, guys, I understand. That's all I understand. Wow. So the third verse of the song says, I'm scared for my soul. I'm going to die quickly. My only concern is my soul. Going back to, I don't know ukuthi ingoma bani man leya say, or maybe mangidropa part 2 yakhona ilapha. There is a song say that's House of God that says umzimba unendawo yayo kodwa umoya usebenzela umoya. Mongayenzi kahle mfethu umoya uzawuzulazula. Ngeke uthole indawo kodwa umzimba uyothola indawo. Now listening to what Abatumisi are saying is insane. It is insane. I'm not gonna lie, this is a beautiful song. A reminder, a reminder of saying, "Good, you know what? It happens. It happens, but don't forget God." What is that? Hey. Damn. Yo. Hey. Ha. Aye. Another one. Yeah. So the fourth verse says, I need a savior. I need you, Lord, my savior for my soul. The path that we choose does not matter what it is. It's difficult. Bafethu impilo inzima right now hlaselwa amakhaza ngiyabanda. Kubanda mto. Oh my God. Woo. No, this song is going to be my ringtone. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Like, bruv, this is amazing. This is amazing, and I'm hurt because how am I only finding out so late about this song, this music video? It's a month now. Oh my God, Zion one. Y'all are about to take Zion by storm. This new generation, Yama Zion, like us, like Tina. I'm talking about 95 to I would say 2004, because number 2005 I'm ending Awagabi. But I would say from like 95 to 2004, like it's us right now. It's a good youth. It's us, like it's us, bro. And honestly speaking, ubona attest ukuthi dog akudlalwa, like yo. Oh my God. Yo, señor, que la para. Hey, bafethu, kwenzakalani? Uzongitshela ngekonka? Have you been to a Zion? Actually, we need it. Ngelinye ilanga sizoba ne Zion festivals where every bandla is gonna be there in their attire, and everybody, it's just to be there close to a concert, like a 2-day thing, blessing believers, amakwaya, abo marvelous ngapha usathi ubhekile marvelous, ama PK, amadumisi, usathi unake lapha amazokuphila ngapha kuthiwa i-Reef, usathi ubheke kanje i-Attest, yama-Cocomelon. One day we're gonna have a Zion concert. One day, I am telling you. Ngelinye ilanga. khona uzobuya athi uke washa umfana kagama. I am mark my words, guys. I am one day ding stadium. Hi, all nje. Well, nice and big. They're packed. Packed. Telling you, bro. That was amazing. Ay, batumis base Soweto. No chairman. Ay. Ay, sayivala manje angilambile. Ngifuna nokuyolala. So, yo. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, I will put tell you. So, any favorite way to stay Jupiter. Adios.